Want to create stunning AI videos in CapCut for free? Here's the easiest step-by-step guide. Let's begin.
Open CapCut and tap the AI Tools or AI Video option on the home screen to get started. Select Text to Video and type a clear prompt describing the video you want AI to create. Choose your preferred video style, aspect ratio, and video length, then tap Generate. Wait a few moments while CapCut's AI creates scenes based on your prompt automatically.
Replace any scene you don't like, add transitions, animations, and AI effects to make it more engaging. Then add some trending music.
Use auto captions, text-to-speech, and trending music to make your video more attractive and easier to follow.
Export your video in 1080p or 4K. Upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Facebook Reels, and start growing your audience.
Learn how to generate AI videos. Just type a clear prompt, get a cinematic video. Subscribe to Moneybox TV for more updates. Please share and like.